Hi, Pengipal friends! Today we're learning how to brush our teeth the right way. Do you know why brushing is important? Because tiny sugar bugs called bacteria love to live in our mouths. If we don't brush, they can cause cavities. Brushing keeps our teeth strong and our smiles bright. Ready? Go grab your toothbrush. Hold it up high. Now grab your toothpaste. We only need a pea-sized amount. Say it with me. Pea-sized. Too much toothpaste makes too many bubbles and doesn't clean better. Now put the toothbrush in your mouth. Start with your top teeth. Brush back and forth gently. Now brush the bottom teeth. Brushing removes food and plaque, that sticky stuff that sticks to teeth. Open wide and say, ah. Brush the front teeth in little circles. Now reach way back and brush the back teeth. That's where food likes to hide. Let's brush for a full 2 minutes. That's how long it takes to clean really well. I'll count slowly with you. 1, 2, 3, 30. Keep going. You're doing great. Now gently brush your tongue. Bacteria can live there too. Okay, time to spit in the sink. Now rinse your mouth with water. Rinse your toothbrush too. Clean tools are important. Look in the mirror. Show me your big clean smile. When should we brush? In the morning after breakfast. At night before bed. Brushing at night is very important because food can sit on your teeth while you sleep. You just protected your smile. I'm so proud of you.